Mabuhay! Welcome to Maasin Litik River.
Mayong buntag, unsa activity din he?
If you want, sir, we have a small Sikit Lagoon here. It takes 15 minutes going to a small Sikit Lagoon. The boat is cost 600 pesos plus entrance fee 30 pesos each.
So nindot nga place na.
Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning. Magandang umaga, nandito tayo ngayon sa Litik Maasin River dito sa Municipality of Pilar sa Siargao. At ngayon kasama ko si Jen Rose. Hi Jen Rose. At we are taking a relaxing canoe ride dito sa river. The river is so peaceful, but the canoe, ako lang to, no, I'm a bit of a panicky person. So wala masyadong balance ako. Kaya medyo natatakot ako na it'll turn over. I'm not scared of drowning. I'm scared of the gadgets I have with me. They might get wet, of course. Sayang naman. Yun, pero, oh my God, this place is so nice. And so far, I'm the only one on the water, so I really like this. Morning, may buntag. Hello, good morning. Yeah, this is so peaceful, very calming, meditative. I like this. You only hear the sound of animals, insects, and also the bugsay or the rowing sound that Jen Rose is making. So I really like this. I really enjoy this. A bit expensive because I'm all by myself, but other than that, I would highly recommend it. Maasin River, Litik Maasin River in the municipality of Pilar. This is a bamboo straw. Of course, it's reusable, so better for the environment. Ang sabi sa akin, to keep the freshness of the straw, ilagay lang daw sa ref. Ano yung ref?
Freezer.
Ref pala, refrigerator. So ideally, ilagay din sa freezer. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng buko. Tapos sabi, sir, gusto mo ng BG? Ano sabi mo ng BG? BJ pala. Buko juice. Sanay naman tayo mag-isa. Hindi na ako nasasaktan.
Hindi na tayo nasasaktan sir.
So malapit na kaming makabalik doon sa end ng maiksing trip na ito along the Maasin River. Yeah, it's quite expensive if you're solo, pero if you have companions with you, okay lang siya. I really think that this canoe ride would be much more exciting if there were more like animals on the river, like monitor lizards. Sabi nila may bayawak, but I haven't seen any. There are birds, there's fish, there are some insects, but you know what would make this really great? Like small crocodiles. That would be amazing, right? Hi.
Hi.
Enjoy your stay here.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. Morning. Pumunta kayo dito kung gusto niyo ng relaxing trip. At saka syempre, pagdating niyo dito, meron ding merong dive board. Pwedeng tumalon. Pero ayoko mabasa kasi. Tinatamad ako mabasa. I love Siargao!
Teban! Up, up! Up!
Good afternoon! Welcome to Sagpalagod Siargao! Mabuhay!
Hi! Hi! Finally, nandito na ako sa Sugba Lagoon and this is the challenge that's waiting for me. Make this about 12-13 foot jump into the waters over there. Hindi pa ako tumatalon, kinakabahan ako. But you know, well, I'm here, so might as well do it. That place to die, number 20. Wow, so that was our Sugbu Lagoon experience. Good thing I met these guys and shared the boat with them. We had a great time there. Great experience. 5 stars. Hello! I just wanted to show proof that I'm riding a motorcycle in Siargao. Now the road has no vehicles except the one I'm on.